Hello, hello, hello.
Hi.
We're here. What's that? Largo de Ponte. We're gonna check it out. The street that's right that way. Before we go, that's my daughter, of course.
Of course. This street in Chinese is cute. I don't know. They. Yeah.
So we're gonna go down that street. So before we get started, we're kind of up against, I think there's a police station. It's like the police station, and there's like something here too up in the mountain, and whatever that is, I think it's some kind of radio call, and then I guess that's a police station right in here, so I won't film it too much and we'll just focus on that side. Let's do it.
Yeah.
Hey, check it out, Macau 2023. Check out some more streets. Okay, that's our target street. So we're gonna follow the girl, and we're gonna come down this way. And basically this one right now, we're kind of coming down this wineberry, which is a kind of creative name, library and wineberry. So we're gonna take the camera. Looks like they got some sitting spots, which is kind of cool. Over there is Galaxy Casino. That's the police station, and that's the backside. Have you seen this wineberry before?
Of course.
It's kind of a creative name, right? So this one looks like they have wine and places to sit, but I haven't seen it open before. Actually, can you see in there? Oh, there's actually somebody in there. You can actually see somebody in there. So that's actually open now.
Well, that's okay.
And then this one is definitely open. This one is it's called Macau. I think this was a clothing shop. Hello. So I think this one is like maybe a coffee shop. I drink, therefore I think. There you are. It says I drink, therefore I think.
I think the store could be for like drinking, for like
Coffee?
If you want something to drink, like coffee, or to buy some shoes, or you also can buy some shoes.
I think so too. Yeah, I think coffee. Yeah, a little bit of mixed stuff. Clothing store. Looks like a clothing store.
Clothing store with like something to drink.
Yeah, coffee, and you can sit outside. Yeah, it's kind of it's a little bit different. So we got a car that's kind of blocking that side. So we're gonna come over here, and this is actually called Largo de Ponte. So I think that this might actually be part of the Ponte too. I'm not 100% sure, but I think I've so maybe what we'll do is the end of our street is right there. So we're gonna go in this Ochinesa right there. So we're gonna check this out. Coming over to this way. So I think this is actually part of the same Largo, because Largo means like square. So this kind of feels like a square as well. So I think when we saw our Largo sign, it basically involves all of this, which is that parking lot up there, this little street, and then that would be the end of it, right up to here. And then there's this Ochinesa. So we got a little alley in here. Food smells pretty good, eh? You want to hold the camera for a second? So yeah, we got this little square. Galaxy is right over there. Actually, that right there, like at nighttime, that's going to be extremely bright, and that's actually a new addition too. And they have another new addition on the other side.
Yeah, the other side is Arena, the Galaxy Arena.
Galaxy Arena, that's right. And I think that's going to be one of the biggest casinos in the world when it's fully realized.
Galaxy Arena. Arena is my Japanese random name I made up.
Yeah. And let's take a look over at this restaurant too. I'm not sure exactly what it is, but they got the round tables that you can eat at. So these ones are very Chinese style. You can spin it as well. So they got little barbecue pits there as well.
I think this store is like one of those stores that is also like called
What's it called?
It could be those stores that involves Stream 8.
Oh, it just says it. Let's say Stream 8. What's Stream 8 mean? Is that the name of the store?
Maybe. I know what this says. And maybe I can read kind of. I don't know. Okay. No, I don't know. And then I don't know.
Well, it's a learning process.
Well, I tried.
Tried. So okay, so I think this is basically a different street. That marks the edge of Taipa to the casinos. That all of that over there used to be ocean, and that's all Kotai Strip now. And Kotai is basically the area between Koloan and Taipa.
Oh yeah, and the store that we just showed you about is actually it is called Stream 8.
Yeah, I saw that too. I saw the inside. I saw a big thing that said Stream 8. I don't know what that means, but I guess that's the title of it.
I think it's a popular restaurant.
I think so. Okay. If it's popular in China and Hong Kong, that definitely 100 makes sense. Because it looks like it's pretty popular. I'm gonna take a look at this real quick. So this, you want to check out this map over here? So that's our street, Largo de Ponte. So we're gonna be finishing here in a minute. That's Juvenile Chinese of Macau Association Rehabilitation. But right at the base of it, we have this kind of cool map right in here. So you got a Portuguese ship, you got a dragon in there, you got, I'm assuming this is Taipa Village, which is right over there. And basically Taipa Village would have, like this is the mountain that's probably the one right here. Yeah. And this would be all Taipa Village right here. So this is the street that goes up, and then this kind of big building right there would be that blue building right there. So that one and that one are the same. And then you'd go into it, and that's all like a little Taipa Village, basically. And then on the other side, I guess he had boats. Because I think Taipa used to be smaller, but now that goes into Regador, like on the other side. So yeah, actually this Taipa used to have like little islands. So there was like Taipa Grande, Taipa Pequeña, and then I don't know the name of this island, but it's probably also another island, and then they started kind of filling between all of them. And then later they reclaimed it all over there where that Galaxy Casino is at. So kind of cool.
I'm dancing.
So that was our target street, and I guess what we'll do is we'll just bring the camera a little bit to give a little context. And up here is kind of a very, 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 very busy main street. And we are going to go and show what that looks like.
Yep. This video is sponsored by the pedestrians.
Sponsored by pedestrians?
Yes.
All these people?
Yes. All these people.
They're the ones that support the video by watching, right? Look how beautiful it is. Wow.
We also have one near the house.
You have one near the house? Yeah, those are everywhere. The temples are so beautiful.
There's so many temples.
So we are going to come up. So just so you know, we came out to this street right here. And then that is the name of that park over that way. And then over here is where tons and tons of tourists are. So this is, if we go up that street, we'll have tons of them. Rua Correio de Silva. So what do you think? We'll come over here like this, and then we'll end our film.
And then we're gonna end. Should we end it here?
We should. So we're basically over there, and we're gonna put the camera on this thing, I guess. Yeah, so basically we are over there, and you can kind of see some of the trees over there as well. I think those trees are up there, right? So when we had that little map that was up there, and then we basically kind of walked along those trees right there as well. So it's a pretty good street there.
And we're gonna end the video at Rua de Mercado and Rua de Meios.
Dun dun dun! Hey, check it out Macau 2023. Check out some more streets.